Welcome to all students. RTS Degree College Ranebennur online classes for BCom second semester. I am Praveen N.A., Assistant Professor in Commerce. So in this video, I am going to conducting Business Communication and Skill subject topic order and their executions. Order and their executions. An order is given by buyer to the seller of any type of goods and services. The order is placed by the buyer must be in brief, complete, and accurate in all the respects that may be correctly understood and promptly executed by the seller. The orders of the letter is going to be given by whom? By buyer to the seller, okay, in the form of any goods and services. That is called as order letters. Points to be noted while drafting a good order letter. First point, quality of goods. In the order letter, we need to mention what type of quality of the goods we are expecting. Then second one, quantity of goods. In the order letter, we need to clearly mention that how much number of quantities of goods we are going to expecting. The next third one, packing expenses of goods. In order letter, if the goods having a life of perishable or non-perishable, whatever it may be the types of goods, they need to be packed while transferring from one place to the another place. That packing expenses of the goods also we need to mention in the order letters. The next fourth one, price and terms of payment. In order letters, what is the particular product price of 1 unit? We need to mention that one, and how we are going to pay the payment, either by the check, either by the credit, or either by the full payment of cash. The next fifth one, mode of transport of goods. In order letter, we need to clearly mention that in what type of transportation we are going to expecting the goods from the seller, either by the road, either by the airways, or either by the seaways. The next sixth one, time and place of delivery. In order letter, we must and should mention the time and place of the goods delivery by the seller. If we does not mention the particular time and place of delivery, the seller will not going to sending any goods. The next seventh one, insurance. While getting the goods from the seller, we need to make the insurance for luxurious products. Why? Because of while in the transportation, if any accident has been occurred or any unexpected contingencies has been occurred, on that time we need to claim the insurance to overcome from the loss of the particular unexpected contingencies. The next eighth one, order form. The order letters in nowadays are going to be very flexible. Why? Because of we can order to the sellers through by the telephones, through by the emails, or through by the any mode of um, information communication technology tools. Next ninth one, order by telegram or telephone. Even nowadays the goods are going to be ordered to the seller from the buyer through the telephone also. As the day by day the technology has been increased, even the trade is also is going to be, they have been adopted the much more online platforms. The next 10th one, changes in order. in the order, if the buyer need to changes any type of information, they need to contact over through the phone itself. Why? Because of it quickly contacted to the seller. Otherwise, in the letter, they need to be a time will be consuming more. Then 11th one, cancellation of the order. In the case of any misbehave or misconduct or any conditions have been ignored by the seller, on that time the buyer may cancel the order at any moment before the placing the ordering of the goods and services. In this slide, I am going to showing a model of order letter. It has been written by a buyer, Sri Raghavendra Swamy Book Depot of Udupi, to the seller, Messer Popular Book Depot, Mumbai. They have mentioned all the details or information regarding the order letter. You need to go through it. Okay. So in this slide, I am going to showing that reply to the above order letter. In the previous slide, we have written or we have seen order letter. Then in this slide, we are going to see that replying to the order letter. This is going to be written by the seller, Popular Book Depot, Mumbai, to the buyer, Sri Raghavendra Swamy Book Depot, Udupi. They have mentioned the invoice bill and what is the mode of payment and so and so. So okay, you need to go through it. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you.